everyone. So okay, we are in Edinburgh now and I'm going to show you the hotel. The hotel is Apex Hotel City in Edinburgh only. It's just next to the castle. So let me show you the entire room, how pretty it is, and especially the view. I'll just show you. So this is the room, this is the wardrobe, and you have like iron board, iron hangers, mugs, teas and all. So let's not show you that. Let me show you the entire room. This comes. And we have this. So it's a small welcome message. How cute! Isn't it cute? Okay. And this is not it. So let me show you this small things first. So yeah, this is the coffee maker, notepad, phone. And see how cute the phone is. Okay, I'm not even sure how to pick it. So how cute it is. You can't even make out that it is a phone. So here we go, okay? Oh my goodness. So that's the castle I was talking about. Isn't it nice? And the nearby view. There we have a lot of pubs, the oldest, smallest pubs. Oh. Alright, so there's a locker, there's laundry, there's a mini fridge. So there are glasses, kettle, mugs, teas, bathrobe, iron board, iron hangers. Okay, so first I'll show you the complete washroom. This is the washroom. There's a bathtub here, and let me show you the best part of this